bring your wildest ideas to life by making stop-motion videos with ChatGPT and Pika Labs. Are you a creative enthusiast who loves telling stories? If yes, technology has brought you something that will bring your wildest ideas to life and will fascinate you a lot. ChatGPT and Pika Labs, the two AI powerhouses, have revolutionized the animation field by collaborating. ChatGPT enhances your imagination and helps you create ideas, whereas Pika Labs, a platform that converts image prompts into short videos, transforms them into animations. Here we will see how these tools join hands to create stop-motion videos from simple brainstorming to the final product. Steps to create stop-motion videos. Log into ChatGPT. Firstly, go to the ChatGPT website and log into your ChatGPT account. If you don't have it, make one first. However, it's important to note that the image generation feature is only available for ChatGPT Plus users. Generate images with ChatGPT after logging in. Give ChatGPT detailed prompt describing the starting scene of your idea or story. Maintain consistency. If you are satisfied with the image that ChatGPT generated, type what is the generation ID for this image in the prompt box and hit enter. Use this ID before each prompt to maintain the consistency of your character. Create your image sequence. Continue giving prompts and generating images for each frame of your story. You make only subtle changes between the frames to keep your animation smooth. Download the images by clicking on the arrow in the right corner. Download all the images. Transition to Pika Labs. Sign in to Pika Labs. A free user will only get a limited amount of generations. To create the clips for your stop-motion video, you have to subscribe to the premium version of Pika. Animate your images. Add your generated images in Pika Labs. Write your prompt in the text box and hit enter. You can also add various transitions to it. Download the clips now. Download all your generated clips. Compile in Video Editor. Choose your favorite video editing app and arrange the clips together in your preferred order. Final export. You could add any music or sound effects to your stop-motion video. Review your video one last time and export the final product in high quality. In this way, your very own stop-motion video could be easily created.